It's big, it's bold, and it's here. Let's meet the all-new 9700 double-decker. Flexibility, capacity, premium, safety, and biodiesel. This bus is in every way designed for all your journeys.
This double-decker is so much Volvo. The V-shaped headlights, the unique sideline. It's a dynamic design that really says this bus is both great to drive and great to ride. As a driver, you will appreciate the powerful engine, the low weight, and fantastic handling and road feel. And do not forget, it can run on biodiesel for a more sustainable business. As a passenger, you will enjoy the premium comfort, the space, the Volvo seats, the low noise, and a climate system that can handle the most extreme conditions.
I would say this is the most flexible double-decker on the market. It comes in a number of lengths and offers virtually unlimited amount of seat layouts. And the interior can be tailor-made to each customer with different seats, color lines, fabrics, infotainment systems, and catering equipment. You could say it is a multi-purpose tool for every need. Whether you focus on premium tour and charter or efficient line-haul operation, the new Volvo 9700 double-decker is designed to deliver a quality experience for up to almost 100 passengers.
In every Volvo, safety is built in from the start. It's a cornerstone in our legacy and in our strategy for the future. The new 9700 double-decker is packed with advanced safety systems that can help the driver to prevent accidents. Lane keeping support, driver alert system, and safety zones are just a few examples. The driver is also seated on an elevated platform further away from the front of the bus, a position that improves visibility and driver safety. And of course, all passenger seats can be equipped with 3-point seat belts.